Remove tabletop panel using your hand. Remove screw horizontal 3 using your hand. Remove screw vertical 3 using your hand. Remove L profile 3 using your hand. Remove screw horizontal 4 using your hand. Remove screw vertical 4 using your hand. Remove L profile 4 using your hand. Remove screw horizontal 1 using your hand. Remove screw vertical 1 using your hand. Remove L profile 1 using your hand. Remove screw horizontal 2 using your hand. Remove screw vertical 2 using your hand. Remove L profile 2 using your hand. Remove table middle panel using your hand. Remove table leg 1 using your hand. Remove table leg 2 using your hand. Remove table leg tree using your hand. Remove table leg 4 using your hand. Remove fixing pin 1 using your hand. Remove fixing pin 2 using your hand. Remove fixing pin 3 using your hand. Remove fixing pin 4 using your hand.